Okay, so good evening, everyone.
Good
My
evening,
screen is
sir.
good evening. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's topic that will start Matplotlib line chart means in the previous day we have some short or basic knowledge about Matplotlib importation, and then how many types of Matplotlib is there, and how we can plotting the systems, how we can marker use there. But today and next day or next 2 days we will discuss about the different types of matplotlib. Basically line chart is mainly we have been done in our project. So line chart, and then there will be a scattered plot or bar plot, pie chart, and histogram. That's it. So line chart or line plot, what we have done or how the things is happening here. First, we use the line style. Okay. Normally, when we try in Matplotlib, it will always shows us the line graph or line chart. But if to changes the pattern, to changes the style, so the keyword, what keyword we have been used? The keyword is line style. You can also make a short form of it. The short form is LS. LS stands for line style. And here you can changes or different style you can choose. Dotted, dashed, none, solid. So these are the some pattern. First of all, import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Then we have to import numpy because all the operational things happening here. Import numpy as np. Now here we don't take any of the x values. So I think in the previous class you all know that if we not taking any of the x points, it's basic automatically represent starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So here y points is equal to np dot array 3 comma 8 comma 1 comma 10. These are the y points value. So let's change the values. Suppose it would be like 8, then it would be like 5, then again it would be like 10, and then 2. So these values we are working with, not 2, we are taking it, let's 15. Okay. So we are working with these values, just only y points values. So by default, x values will be like that. np dot array 0, 1, 2, 3. So by default, x value will be like that. And y value is putting here 8, 5, 10, 15. Now we have to put plt dot plot y points. Okay, y points and line style dotted. I am given there line style dotted. So by default, when we not mentioning any of the color, it will be blue. Okay, let's check how it's look like. Okay, so it's look like this. It's look like this, a right sign. Little bit, it would be like 15 there, then it will be 10. Now it's look like this. Okay. So For changing the color, what we have been used in the previous class, I'm showing all of you what will be the syntax or what will be the function. So color, I'm changing into red. Okay. So this is the first. Normally the color would be blue, but you have to changes if you want. Okay. And here I'm not putting any of the x value because I also told you that x value by default would be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if we not provided any x values by default, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and if anyone want to marker, tell me what will be the code. Tell me, anyone.
Marker equals to in quotes O.
Okay, let's doing the marker and the point that will be mentioned here 0, 8, then would be 1, 5. Okay, then would be it's like 2 comma yes 2 comma 15, then it would be like 3 comma 10. Okay, so these are the points. Now if I changed the pattern from this, copy, paste, from this it will be changed from dotted to dashed. Okay, so this is the first code of today. How the line style, line color, line marker act for the line chart. Do it by yourself. Line style you can choose as your wish. Okay, so just do it, and given the example, taking a random variable or random value, then you please go on for this line plot. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on to the next. Now there will be some like syntax. If we change as line style would be ls, and here I'm writing that dotted or just like dashed. For that reason, I'm showing you the some short type of table here. For solid, we can use these normal things. Okay, just single dash and this. And for dotted, we can use just like it. For dashed, we can use this and this. And for dash dot, we can use this. And for none, okay, just simple like this. So this is some type of line reference, or you can say how you can represent your line chart. And apart from that, if you want for the shorter version, that will help us for changes the color line a for changes the line style ls. Okay, ls would be the shorter form for usage and changes the style. This is the one, two, three, four, five. Five. There are five types of styles, or there, or you can provide it many more. This will be normal, basic, and this will be just like dotted. It will be dashed, dash dot, and this is the none. So this is the five option how we can changes there. And the previous example, you just put line style will be dotted or dash, then marker, then line color. But here just see simply y points, providing the y points value, and then ls and the sign or line reference that will represent the line syntax, how you can represent the dotted line or dashed line. Here it will be like dotted. Okay, so that is the is to sign or colon sign. Now moving on to the next part. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this chart for your help, or you can write anyhow in your notebook. These small things you can do. Now moving on for the next part, that is line color. In the previous one, I have already shown that color color would be R. Okay, so you can take the shorter index for the line color. You can take the shorter index for the color that will be red or black, green, anything. But if you want to provide the code, in the last class I am also providing you the chart or the code. So if you changes the code, it act accordingly. If you changes the code, it also act accordingly. Or if you don't want to type the code, just type the color name, so it also act accordingly. First of all, color full name or syntax. Then first of all, you can if choose the code per color code. There will be different code for all the colors. So you can provide the code. So it also act. And then if you want to give the special color name, it also acts. So this is the thing. And now moving on for the line width. So you can use the keyword argument line width or the shorter LW to change the width of the line. So line style is LS and line width will be LW. You can write down the full name. Okay, line width or line style. But for the shorter usage, LS and LW. First of all, import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. Then import numpy as NP. Then random taking the value for the y point. I'm here 3 8 1 10. Okay, now when we provide the plt dot plot means for the plotting, then just put down line width 20.5. And for the color purpose, I'm providing these things. This will represent the dark blue. Okay, the dark blue. So it is the code of the dark blue. I am providing you all the charts. So from the chart, you can choose any of the color code or any of the color name. So this is the thing. PLT dot plot y point line width 20.5, the value that I am provided here. If you want to change, okay, let's change it just like 18.5, then run. So it will be changes a little bit. So it's the number upon you, and then plt dot show. So this is the line width. So first of all, after importing the y values, y is equal to np dot array, then some random value we are taking there. Then what will plot? Plt dot plot. I am showing here separately, but in the project purpose, you have to do it all combinedly. Like y is equal to this, then ls line style would be like dashed dot, okay, comma, then lw, okay, lw will be like 15.2, okay, done. Now comma, then there will be color. Okay, let's color will be like gold. Okay, then there will be usage of marker. Okay, then there will be usage of marker size. Okay, so you can provide the marker size. Then there will be marker face color. Okay, MFC, marker edge color, MEC. So lots of things is there. Sorry guys, there is a power cut. Sorry. Okay. Okay, my screen is visible. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So after import of Matplotlib and NumPy, and then when you put y is equal to np dot array. Okay. Now I'm doing a practical work. You do all. Taking randomly this type of value, which value is there, I will ask till later. But for then, what you have to do, you have to plotting y values consisting number one, line style, okay, dashed dot, or you can use dotted. Okay, then there will be line width. You can choose your own. They can line color. Then there will be marker. Then there will be marker size. Then there will be marker edge color. Then there will be marker face color. All these things will be there. Okay. So note down it, and I am telling the values here. These are the 5 points. Do it your system. 17, 7, 11, 23, 19. These are the 5 points. Okay. Using these 5 points, you have to show these 7 options: line style, line width, line color, marker, marker size, marker edge color, marker face color. Do it in your system.
Sir,
Yes, hello.
sir, can you scroll up?
Done, everyone?
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, line color is not working. If we are using only color, then it is working.
Yes, line color means not LINECOLOR, only color, COLOR.
Yes, sir, it is working.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
these issues on sec, I'll share my screen.
Okay. Gayatri, first share your screen.
Yes, sir. Uh, sir, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Sir, whenever I give one
Not
equal
lines.
to, it
Yes.
shows yes, sir.
Yes. Invalid syntax. Maybe you mean to say or instead of putting normally ls, then see what happened.
Screen available.
Okay, open another notebook and please then provide another notebook and copy the code, run again. Put matplotlib.pip.splt import numpy snp np.array is
The same errors.
okay. One thing,
Yes, sir.
putting the value y points instead of x points. Just
Okay, sir.
remove y.
Three. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Gayatri.
yes.
After PLT dot plot, remove equals to.
Yes, there will
Okay,
be
okay,
is
okay.
equal
Oh,
to.
yeah, sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. I will do that. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, Sandeep.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So little bit of there is mistake.
Small
Right.
mistake. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now use marker. Okay. Yes. Stop sharing your screen. Then use
Okay, sir.
marker. Marker size, marker color, marker face color, marker edge color. Provide
Okay, sir.
all.
Okay, sir. So done.
Okay. So Anjali, please share your screen.
Yes. Third visible.
Yes. Okay. So you provide line style solid, mean basic. Okay. Line width 16.5, y point 17, 7, 11 to 3. MS is equal to 10. Okay. One thing you do, increase the size of MS from 10 to 16. Look like better. Okay. So MS is equal to 16, then edge color will be blue. Okay, blue. Face color will be yellow. Okay, okay, fine. Good. Good one, Anjali. Now you can stop share your screen. Okay. Sefali and who else is there? Sefali, please share your screen. Sefali.
I have also done, sir.
Okay, okay. Sandeep, you can share your screen.
line width, color,
Okay.
LS, marker, MS, MEC,
Okay.
MFC.
Okay, fine. Let me see. Okay, fine. You can stop sharing. Sampath, you can share your screen.
What is that?
Okay, zero color. Color is red. PLT dot. Color is red. So what
Yes,
happened
sir.
here? So you both what you want to print? You given the code, color code different. What you want to print? I don't want. See, this color is red and your color is navy blue or sky blue. Line style is dotted, but the line is solid. No marker, no MEC, no MFC.
I think it's because there are two
Yes.
PLT dot plots, sir.
Remove the second one. PLT dot plot.
It's a P-liner, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, you can stop share your screen. Mehul, you can share.
One moment.
Okay, fine. LWLS 18 black purple. Okay, good one, Mehul.
Sir.
Okay, Shefali, have you any problem or done yet? Okay, now move on to the next part. The next part is multiple lines plotting. So till now we are working with multiple lines. Okay, so how we can plotting multiple data or multiple number of points or section that we draw a different two lines or three lines. Okay, first of all, yes, there will be two values, y values, and another one is this. So this one is the two different y values. Now, when at the time of plotting, PLT dot plot, one is y1, PLT dot plot, another one is y2. So here, for both cases, just like if you do it here, 10, 3, 7, 5, and this would be like 2, 8, 6, 12. For both the cases, the x value works as 0, 1, 2, 3. If we not providing any of the x values, it will basically by default standby value is 0, 1, 2, 3. So then we have to put different types of y values. Okay, just check it this, and then how it look like. So this is the things, and if we put down the marker section, now marker is equal to 1 is O. Copy, paste, another one will be asterisk, then this, then upward, this will be create the triangle like upward triangle, then therefore this is the things, and plus. Okay, see, all the marker is given here. So now here we see using the 4 different types of y-axis values. See, one is 0, meet in at a point. There is the common value point. Okay, so you can see marker is ring, then marker is asterisk, I think this one, then marker is upward. See, upward triangle, this one, then marker is plus this, this, this. So in that way, randomly we can use any value. If we not use x value, the by default it will act as 0, 1, 2, 3, and just randomly it will increase from starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers are there in the y value? Comparatively, it will increase just like that. Then you can see the plotting section in the graph. Okay, so now we can do it heading multiple lines in a single axis, and then after doing this example, there are different types of color. See, if we not providing any of the color, first of all, there is the created of blue, then there is created of orange like color, then there will be created green, then there will be red. If we not providing any of the color mentioning name, any of the things, by default the color choosing from the starting, the blue, then there will be orange, then there will be green, then there will be red. So please do it heading multiple lines in a single axis. Done, everyone? Hello, done, everyone? Or rest something to do? Okay. Gayatri, Sampath, Anjali, Mehul, Sandeep, Sefali, all
Done,
done?
sir.
Done. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Now, next one is the multiple charts. Okay. As you can see, multiple lines in a single chart. Multiple lines, single line in a single chart. Then there will be multiple lines in multiple charts. Okay. Now multiple lines in a single chart already done. There are multiple lines in a single chart. Now we'll create the multiple charts. Okay, we will create the multiple charts. So first import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import numpy as np. What will be our first? Here I'm giving x is equal to np dot array in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then the next one is be x star asterisk 2 means what will be the x value? Y is into 2 means y value will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now plt dot plot x comma y. First portion plotting done. Now we want to naming it for the first graph plt dot x level. 11 means naming. Okay. Already showing you in the last class x axis. Okay. Then plt dot y level will be y axis. Then giving the title plt dot title and giving that the title name multiple multiple charts. You can give the title. So then plt dot show. So randomly taking the x value, and now we can make a relation that y is equal to x asterisk 2 or x star 2. So that y while be the y value will be the double of the x value. Then plt dot plot x comma y, then giving the level name according to the x axis it will be x axis, according to the y axis or y level it will be y axis. Then given the title name is multiple chart, then plt dot show. First half already done. Now for the next one, uh, the new figure, when there will be multiple charts, the function will be plt dot figure. Plt dot figure means figure function. What it actually does, it will help us to create another figure. It will create another figure, this function plt dot figure. Okay. Then there will be again x1. You can put in p dot array then anything else, or you can just simply taking random variable values here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Then y1, other random values, anything values there. Then we can do plt dot plot x1 comma y1, then dash dot line style. Then we will do plt dot show. It will be longer code. If anybody have any issue to understand, you can tell me. I will explain again. And this type of two different chart will create. Two different chart will create. Anybody
Sir,
have an issue? Yes.
y equals to x into 2 না x square ওটা কি করেছে?
X star 2.
আচ্ছা,
So anybody have any issue?
Sir,
Yes.
where can we use this multiple charts?
Where can you use multiple charts? When there will be like different type of column in a single project. Okay. And you just first measure that these columns will be represented as line chart. If you want, you can plot two different two different columns or tallies in a single section with different charts. Means suppose there will be four ages, income, company name, and then there will be like hikes. So hikes and company, there will be another chart. Ages and salary, there will be another chart. These two charts will be done in a single section. You can do. If you want not divide into multiple sections using same section, but multiple charts, you can also do that. Anyone am repeating it or not? Or anyone
Sir, can
understand?
you
sir,
repeat?
one time please repeat it.
One time repeat it.
Okay. Okay, I'm repeating in the whiteboard. Just a second. Okay, so after later, okay. Okay, so after that, after completing the import section, okay. So what can we do? First of all, for the x is equal to np dot array, then randomly taking 2, 3, 7, 8 values, then passing a variable y, where I am creating a relation that x star 2 means the value of y will be double of the x values of each time. When there will be x value 2, the y value 4. When there will be 3, it will be 6. When there will be 7, it will be 14. When there will be 8, it will be 16. So that's like that. Now plt dot plot x comma y. The plotting portion done. Now plt dot x label, it will be like x-axis. We are naming the axis wise naming, or you can say the label wise naming, means this will name as x-axis and this will name as y-axis. Okay. Then PLT dot y label is equal to y axis. Then PLT dot title. Okay. You can choose multiple charts. Then PLT dot show. Okay. Done. For the first portion, we have done. Now the next one. Y PLT dot figure. This function will create you another chart. This will be a chart. Okay. This will be a chart already done in this portion. When you use this function, it will create another chart in the same section. Now taking x1 and random values 10, 20, 30, 40. Then taking y1 5, 8, 12, 20. Then you can do PLT dot plot x1 comma y1, and after PLT dot show. So two different plottings we can use for the different chart in a same section. Different when we have been something like there will be 4 different column: age, then salary, then company, then hike. So company and hike make different chart, age and salary make different chart, but in the same section you have not, it will decrease of section, so many different section for different chart. Otherwise, if it will help you to create different chart or multiple chart in a same section. So this is the figure function that will do. Now clear everyone?
Sir, it's clear, but can we get the example of that? Like this, you said that the age, company,
Yes.
salary, like that example we can get. Can we get?
Okay, you have the you have means, just a second.
Yeah. Okay.
In there, see, this is the
Yes, sir.
this is the two different things, two different portion, and this is created in a same section, and these two also together we can see, or we can show in a single chart. Convert multiple chart into single chart into same axis, we can do that. Next we will discuss with it, but already you are working with the project, can test
Yes,
how you can give the example, or how we can show the different axis or different charts in a single portion, single section. You can do that.
okay,
I'm
sir.
just showing you how the usage will be done. Okay, just like.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay.
So now the thing is, different data or different point, same section, multiple charts. There are two charts. Okay, same section, multiple charts. Now, same axis. See, same axis or same chart, multiple plots. Same axis, same charts, multiple plots. So now what or how we can do? Here, just only no use of figure. You can't see any of the figure function, so that will not create the another chart. And we have used here only single PLT dot show. So that's why it will showcase only a single chart or single axis where we can put the previous two datas or previous two different data point sets in a single axis. After import matplotlib, import numpy already done. Okay, then what happened? X is equal to np dot array. Okay, then y is equal to np dot array. It also done. Now plt dot plot, okay, x comma y, then you can give marker as your wish. Okay, okay, now we are not using plt dot show because we have to put in a single axis all different and not using plt dot figure. Again, taking x1, you can use np dot array. I am just taking random value. Okay, random value. Y1, it also some random values. Then plt dot plot x1 comma y1. If you use marker, then as your choice, marker size, marker color, what you have been done, you can use. Okay, now the label name plt dot x label, x axis plt dot y label, y axis plt dot title, then plt dot show. Then it will create us two different plotting in a single axis. Clear? The previous one was two different chart, multiple plots in different chart or different section or different axis, you can say. Here, multiple plots in a single axis or single chart or single section. So this is too big plotting. Now please do it in your system.
Done, sir.
Okay, both you have done? Everyone?
Done, sir. Both
Okay.
done.
Okay. All of you, please do quickly. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, so different plotting we have done in same axis and different axis. Now, if there are different plotting, can we fill the area between them? Okay, two different plotting in same axis, two different plotting in a same axis, but we have to finalize, or you can say um, plotting or filled the area. Okay, for that there will be very much usage of how you can taking the values. Okay, how you can taking the values. Now see, x is equal to np dot array 1 2 3 4 and y is equal to x star 2. So the values of y will be like 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Now plotting. Okay, so 1 2, this point, see, 1 minute. So this point is 1 2. Now the next point is 2 4, 2 4. So this one, the point. Okay, now the point is 3 6. So this one may be the point. Now point 1 is 4 8. Okay, so this one may be the point. So these things will be same. These things will be same. Or if you want to change the data, you can do, but make sure these things changes to the value. 2 3 means this point, or you can say this point. Okay, now the thing is 4 5. Okay, so 4 then 5 will be there. Now the x value is x 6 7. So not doing it, and there is 8 9. Okay, if you changes the value of that x1 and y1, is this possible to make a graph or fill the color or not? Let's do in system. Okay,
Sir,
yes,
so 1 second, 4 and 5, where it will become, can you show, sir? 4 and 5.
yes,
Yeah.
let's changes the value. Let's starting from 1, import back. Already done. Now so now Okay. Hmm, 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 hmm.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, sorry. Okay. So here, the different value of x and y, x1 and y1. In the previous one, what will be the y value? It will be presented as x1 value. So in the plotting section, we just use x comma y1, and then this thing created, and then we just use of field color between them. So, but our main motto is to field color. Okay. So for that reason, the function will be fill then underscore between. This is the function that will fill the color. First, after creating matplotlib, import matplotlib and import numpy. Then x is equal to np.array, y is equal to x star 2. Then plt.plot x comma y. Then taking, if the value you taking same as y or as x1 or y1, if I change this to this, x1 is equal to 5 into 10, 10 comma 14 comma 18 comma 22. Okay, and put this and this, and if we do it, then run. Okay, so then just remove it. Okay, now run. See, it will same because x1 value and y value are both same. So when it has upon the, you depend how you can take the values, how you can take the value. But our main thing is the which function is used to fill the color, fill underscore between. This is the function that will fill the between portion the color. Okay, and color I'm choose you aquamarine and the things. And what is alpha? Alpha here is the transparency. When the transparency you like to increase, just normal transparency will be 1. Okay, when you increase the transparency, then it will bright, and if you want to decrease, just then 0.7 and run, it will shorten the transparency. So alpha is for transparency purpose, then plotting, taking the values and plotting accordingly. Then if the values same, sometime it will fill and just show very beautiful when you plot these things. Choose your color and then show. In this way, you can fill up color. Okay. Fill underscore between. This is the function. Changes to gold. Okay. Fill underscore between. Now, the next one, plotting horizontal and vertical lines. So that means uh, when we put x 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and y will be 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. So here you see, just a second, 30 value is means y value y axis already same. Y value y axis already same. Okay. 10, 30, then 20, 30, 30, 30, 40, 30, 50, 30. So it actually create the horizontal or plus sign and legend for this. The box, little box, and what will be the line 1, what will be the line 2, this will the legend section. Okay. In this way, you can plotting the horizontal and vertical line. First of all, after import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, then choose very wisely what will be the values. Because if you 30, then 40, then 20, then 25, it will not represent the horizontal line. Y-axis value same, parallel to x-axis, and the x-axis value will be different. Okay, so this is the things. Now if we want same in the same position, in same axis, sine or cos, okay, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, then import numpy as np. Here I am taking the values just 1 3 2 3 3 3, then 4 3 5 3, not 10 and 20. So it is the previous one, x level, y level. But if we want np.sin x, np.cos x, numpy.sin x, np.cos x, that will be the value create, that will be the value create the domestically for the curve. Okay, how the sine value create curves, you can see that. Plt.plot y is equal to np.sin y, plt.plot y is equal to np.cos y. You can also do that. 4 types of things is there: np.sin x, np.cos x, curve 1, curve 2. Let's try by your own. So these two and the previous one, the curve portion, do.
This portion done, sir.
Okay. With it, I am describing the opacity portion. Okay. Here, when we use the opacity, alpha is equal to things. So then the legend portion, you can do OP is equal to 0.2, OP is equal to 0.5, and OP is equal to 1. When alpha is equal to 1, it is the primary level when you put the transparency value. Then when you put the legend, okay, there opacity is 0.2, 0.5, 0.1. Just write down, okay, for opacity purpose. Alpha is the main portion that is used for the changes, and here 1, 0.7 and 0.6, 1, then it will be 0.7, it will be 0.3. Just write down it. So this will help you to changes the opacity using alpha. Both, doing both.
Done, sir.
This one, Sandeep.
This one doing, sir.
Okay. Here I am creating some relation x star 0, x star x means x square, then minus x star x also x square, just like. So just creating some different relation and then plotting it.
Done, sir.
Okay, so now just a small brief. Okay, if here in this example you can see there are three column: places, literacy rate, people, female literacy, means three different type of values. After import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, three different values, three different column that we use. First we just rename the label plt.x label, plt.y label. Now when plotting will be done, places with literacy rate, see the plotting places with literacy rate, places literacy rate, color blue, line width 6, label literacy rate, just labeling, and it will A 100, B 98, C 90, D 85. In this way it will be plot. Okay, second plotting, places female literacy rate, color the fuchsia, this purple color, line with label, that things. So second will be places and female, means A 95, B 100, C 50, D 60. So in that way, three different values, three different column values, and you can showcase and comparing these three between taking any of two each time. Age, company, hike. Age, company, you can create one chart, line chart in a single axis. Then company hike is also create another chart, line chart in single axis. Then you can compare both of them in single section, just like that. Places, literacy. Places, female literacy. You can check literacy rate, this is the blue line. Female literacy rate, this is the purple line. Okay, and this is the percentage and places. So according to places, how many literacy rate, and according to literacy rate, how much the female literacy rate, you can also assume. Three different values, taking two values each of a time, you can compare both two values in a single axis. That will help to compare in between your column values in project. Okay, so do it.
Done,
This
sir.
thing.
Scroll up, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please. Yeah.
This is also done, sir.
Okay. All we are discussing, please use in the project, and 30 or 29th or 30 by I will like to complete all the project queries and the visualization. Okay, by 30. This is the things, and a little bit also there. So age, cardiac cases, survival chances, and also taking age and percentage. That particular that example will help you in the COVID-19 project. Here I am taking age and cardiac cases in a single line. Then age and survival chances. So what will be the result when you plotting like this? By age, 20 age, what will be the cardiac cases? The red one. And what will be the survival chances? This one. So you can see, just like when the ages is minimum, the survival chance is maximum. When the age is maximum, the survival chances is minimum. So in this way, you can conclude three things in a single axis, a single section that will right to compare. Okay. that will write to compare. You can do it this example also.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now the subplot. Okay. The last topic for today, and it will complete whole line chart. I will demonstrate, already demonstrated detailing about line chart. From next day, scattered plot, bar plot together, and histogram is little bit because nothing usage of histogram too much. Pie chart, scatter plot, bar chart. This is the three more topics, and that is easy because as you know, for how to plotting, how the marker section, line width, line style, marker size, color, all the things, plotting figure, those. So for you it is easy to plotting these random topics. Subplot means the subplot function takes three arguments that describe the layout of a figure. Every time when you use subplot in Matplotlib, it will takes three arguments. See, very much carefully, three arguments. So in the bracket, this one a argument, this one an argument, this one another argument. These three arguments will demonstrate or describe the layout of a figure. Means how the layout is organized in rows and columns. That will represent the first one and second one value, and the third one represent the index of the current plot. Okay, index of the current plot means there are different plots. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. First index, second index, third index, or fourth index. Not confused with actual index value. This is the, you can say, serial number. How this represent which serial number plot is this. Suppose there will be function plt dot subplot 1, 2, 1. That means the figure has one row, two column, and the index of the plot is first, means this index, this figure, one row, two column. Okay, if the value will be like this, 3, 2, 4, so this will, what this will represent? This will represent, tell me from your side, this will represent 3, 2, 4. Anyone, please represent what it will represent. Please tell anyone. Hello.
3 rows, 2 columns, and it is a fourth.
Means
For fourth
this one. Means this one.
Yes,
3
sir.
rows, 2 columns, and fourth
And
index
fourth.
figure. So now last example for the subplot and the line chart covered for today. Just a second. The last example will be this. Okay, not this, not this. This is the longer example one. Here, import, do it with me. I am describing line by line. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import numpy as np. After that, x value np.array 0, 1, 2, 3. Then y value in np array 3, 8, 1, 10. Now, plt.subplot 2, 3, 1 means 2 rows, 3 columns, and first index means first figure, first subplot, it will be happen. Okay, I am seeing the output. See, this is the things. 2, number 1, this is the number 1, 2, 2, 3, and I think 1. Yes, 2, 3, 1. This is the first one. Okay, and 0, 1, 2, 3, np.array 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so what will be like that? 2, 3, 2 means this second index. So in this way, you can create any number of times of subplot, then you can plot it. Okay, so this is the subplot in Matplotlib. Please take this example. This example, this is the shorter version. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, import numpy as np, then x is equal to np dot array 0, 1, 2, 3, ay is equal to np dot array 3, 8, 1, 10. Then using subplot, 2 rows, 1 column, 1 index. As it is the matrix format, as we use numpy, so when we create the matrix format, it will showcase 2 rows, 1 column. So there I am putting 2 rows, 1 column and 1 index, first index, this is. And plotting, then again 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40 the value. Then subplot 2, 1, 2, 2 rows, 1 column, and 2, number 2, this will be the index, this will be the second plot figure. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any issue? And one more thing, everyone be prepared with LinkedIn profile. I will send one more link where you can make the portfolio. Okay, because there are some great look like portfolio app will be there. I also create their portfolio with you guys also. Okay, make project. Already we have completed the, or you can see, tell that we are at the doorstep, final doorstep of the project COVID-19. After completing COVID-19 project, we can also do a little bit of data analysis of IPL project. We can also some live using only Python, core Python. We can create any management system, that will be library management system, hospital management system, or phone book management system. Also, we can do the project basis on Python and SQL database create. Okay, so day by day, after completing Python, it just upon the practice of SQL, detail things upon Python. Okay, that will end up after creating 2 classes, that will end up the plotting section. Then there will be the Seaborn. Okay, so Seaborn is for other higher visualization. I will randomly showing you, but actual what we needed for a Python basic Python project is done. And please make sure imply all the things in your project. Okay, imply all the things in your project. Okay, so I'm stop sharing today. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining today's
Sir,
class. Yes.
sir, I will share that answer.
Okay, so you please note down the name because there are five people only. Now someone is left. I don't know. So please note
Okay,
it
sir.
down the name. So
Okay.
and you please keep the notes.
Yes,
So so I will take Monday or Tuesday because if PCS management will be tell us that it will be holiday. I don't know if there will be holiday or not Monday. So I will notify you.